Hey there friends, coffee community. I'm excited to announce that it's open enrollment right now, so check the notes on this video to get signed up for our next cohort. Now, you have the chance to join in on a cohort of coffee professionals who are studying the Specialty Coffee Association course, and you will be included in our coursework online, our videos and practices that we have together. You will be invited to our live sessions and Google Meeting calls, as well as a one-on-one meeting with me, your instructor. So I can't wait to help you get started. Time is limited where we open and then close the cohort for this month, for this time period. So be sure and jump in. You can check those course dates. We can't wait to have you. If you miss this cohort, you're going to have to wait till the next time we open up the cohort. So if you have any questions, DM, send an email, contact, and we can't wait to help you get started on this next course. All right, friends, we can't wait for you to join this next cohort. And to do that, we want to give you the training tools and supplies that you need. So check out Rock Coffee Lab or SCA Training Lab to find out these great resources and get a discount off your next course at howtocoffeepro.com. We are specifically talking about the roasting class. And so if you want to join SCA Foundations Roasting, we can't wait to have you, but maybe you want to pick up a home roaster's kit for yourself. Inside this kit, you're going to experience 2 amazing coffees roasted at 2 levels. And so your first one will be anaerobic or natural process, something that's really beautiful, fun, and you're going to get to compare the roasted version that is sent along with your own green coffee roasting. You can check out and analyze your green coffee before you do that and try to match the profile, see how it changes. Then you get coffee B. You also get another bag of coffee. It's going to be a different coffee and a roasted version as well. So you get to compare my roast with your roast, different roasters. When you do that, you're going to want to make sure that you use your cool new green coffee sample trays so that you can analyze the green, see how it looks beforehand, and when you're finished, put them in your roasting trays. 2 cupping spoons to finish it off, just in case you want to cup those coffees, but they'll be great in your coffee brewer as well. So when you purchase this home roasters coffee kit, you can save on your next How to Coffee Pro course. If you really want to take the plunge and go all in, pick yourself up a Roast Right color analyzer. So details down below as well. If you pick up the Roast Right during this time, I'm not going to pull it all out. You can check out the link below and learn all about this beautiful machine that goes into your quality control and your processes. As you're roasting, seeking consistency, this is also used in the intermediate and professional courses for SCA so that you can learn to pinpoint color as one of the quality control measures in your roasting. We can't wait to see you grow, join the cohort, jump into one of the Instagram lives, and be a part of our growing community. Welcome to How to Coffee Pro. We want to give you the tools and resources to keep growing, make your life better, and we can't wait to see you in class.